Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. Welcome to another live stream where we're going to be going through the best settings from the final quarter of 2012. Okay, we've got William on the screen. Wrong person here. There we go, there's Vlad. There's me. Hi guys, I hope you're going extremely well. Sorry, we're using a new piece of software today, so we're trying to get a bit used to it. As you can see, we had William and Vlad on the screen. They're going to be joining us today. So hi everybody, I hope everybody's going extremely well. Vlad's in fits and giggles here. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to invite him for the next couple of minutes. Anyway, so we're here today, going to be going through the best settings of last year's final quarter, 2023. We're going to be going through lots of other things, bots and things like that. I'm going to invite William and Vlad onto the screen to come and say hello to us. Let's try working this out over here. Okay, let me add them back on. Hi, Vlad. How you going, mate? Hi, William.
Hello.
How's everything going? How's everybody going? That was a great start to the stream. First stream with this new software, and William was on there, and I was talking. How's everybody going?
Very good. Yourself?
Yes. Okay, so we have Vlad, who's up the top, and William below. I will introduce everybody afterwards. Yeah, let's say hi to a couple of the comments, and I'll go through all the disclaimers. Hi, everybody. Hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. How you going? How's everybody going?
Hey, guys.
Your avatar doesn't do you justice, Vlad. There you go. Yeah, so as always, today we have a bit of a schedule. We have the final quarter, as I said, of 2023 to go through the best settings. They've been in incubation for a full quarter now, so we're going to go through all of those, and we have some prizes for the best settings. I'm going to go through what the elite backtesters are. But first of all, a bit of a disclaimer. Obviously, trading is a risky game. You do have to be very, very careful. All of your trades are on you, unfortunately. Yep, that's the way it is in trading. You do have to be very, very careful. Disclaimers on the screen. I'm not in the slightest a financial advisor. And also, we're going to go on to the next screen where there's another disclaimer. Please be very, very careful. At the moment, there is a lot of scans going on. Unfortunately, there is already one in the comments, as you can see on Discord. Let me move that there very quickly from you. So it's actually on Facebook. So be very careful. User was blocked. Yeah, so please be very careful. Lots of fake David Techs out there. Lots of fake Vlads. That ended up on the screen. Don't want that on the screen. How do we remove that one? Okay, let's add Vlad instead. That way we no longer have it there. Yeah, so lots of fake users are trying to steal our money, so steal your money, so be very, very careful. Welcome to everybody. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to be going through this slides here. William and Vlad are here. Vlad is our community manager and a lot more. He's been here working with us for over 2 years now, and he's taking over the elite backtesters and doing a really good job of it. The elite backtesters, I'm going to go through what it is. Yeah, so Vlad has been with us and he's been doing a fantastic job recently. William is our back-end developer. He's building all of the back-end behind Trigger Trade and things like that. He's been connecting TradingView over to all the exchanges and also doing a fantastic job of supporting people, helping them to create the connection from TradingView over to your exchanges, which is really, really, really quite a hidden job, but very important to everybody. So thank you very much to you guys for all the help you're giving to the community. I look forward to hearing from you guys in a minute. Okay, so as we go along, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate at all to ask questions. We're here to answer them. We've been algo trading for a couple of years now, so please don't hesitate at all to ask questions as we go along, interrupt as we go along. Please, anything that you have on your mind, please don't hesitate to ask. We have a couple there. We have a couple of mainly highs from everybody. So hi to everybody. I hope you're all going well. Thanks for joining us. Okay, so I'm going to continue going along. We're going to introduce the what's going on today. So I'm going to do a quick overview of David Tech. A lot of you already know what David Tech is and who we are, but I'm going to go through all of those. We're then going to do elite backtesters and a quick overview of that. Then Vlad's going to be taking the mic and going through the final quarter of last year, 2023, and the results, where there'll be prizes. And then I'll give you a quick intro to the bot platform that we're building in the background, so you can easily connect these trading strategies over to bots without even having to pass through TradingView and things like that. And then we go through a questions and answers section. So, what is David Tech? David Tech was created around 2.5-3 years ago now. We're an algo trading community, building trading strategies on TradingView, trying to use code as our edge in the marketplace and provide good backtesting results and also forward testing results. So we try to do everything from actually the moment you put an indicator on your screen all the way over to the moment that it's automatically trading in the background, providing the stats and all of those wonderful things. But we're not only that, we're not selling indicators in the slightest. For me personally, a single indicator on the current chart just makes it look pretty, has no extra information. If you don't know where you're going to set your stop loss, where you're going to how you're going to take profits, all of those kind of things, it's just making the chart look like a Christmas tree. It just makes it look pretty. That's all. So we're actually trying to build systems that actually create real trading strategies from start to finish, putting probabilities more in our favor. We're also a community. The most important part is the community. We're a thriving community. Currently, the YouTube channel is growing around 3,000 new subscribers every day at the moment, which is absolutely wonderful. The Discord is over 9,000 subscribers and members. Smile, William. Thanks, Marco. How you going, mate? Yeah, he's got the weight upon his shoulders, Marco. Yeah, so we've got all of the, so we're building a community, which is the most important thing, and we're collaborating together to build all of these strategies. Good, I'm glad to hear, Marco. Yeah, and this is where the elite, which I'm going to be talking about today, has come together. Over about 4 or 5 months ago, we started the elite backtesters. The elite backtesters, it came out of nowhere, so it's growing and it is getting better as we go along. We're trying to adapt the tools. The elite backtesters is the power of collaboration. We're working together with all of the members inside of our community to find best settings. I go away and code lots of trading strategies, but it doesn't have to be David Tech strategies. It can be any strategy. But we're looking for best settings for those strategies. So no longer do you have just indicators on your chart. You know where the settings are, what indicators work well on what coin pairs and things like that. And that's all thanks to the power of collaboration. Here are a couple of charts, as you can see, that have been performing particularly well in forward testing and back testing, and they aren't made by me, they're made by the community. So that's just 6. Vlad does live streams every week where he goes through anything between 10 and 15, I'd say, Vlad, setups every week. And we generally have around 60 active setups per month added to the chart, to our forward testing platform. And that is all thanks to the collaboration of everybody working together. So, but we're obviously, as I just said, we're not in the slightest just back testing. We try to take it a little bit further. We're rigorously forward testing trading strategies on live data, because obviously, when backtesting, you're only fitting things over to historical data, and that's not what we're about. We're about trying to make these strategies profitable in real live data. So we're forward testing them on real-time data, And this is just an example of why. We could end up with an absolutely fantastic equity curve that looks absolutely brilliant. But the day we started putting this one into forward testing, so trading on a live market, as you can see, the equity curve started falling apart. This is typical in algo trading, happens often. It's often overfitting trading strategies. I have done this course about yesterday or day before, I think it was, on Wednesday. Wednesday, I did a short course on YouTube on how to optimize, and we're improving the optimizer as we go along to make it even better. But yeah, forward testing is extremely important and is what we're doing also in the background and what we're going to be looking at today, some of the results. So our aim with the elite backtesters is to try and build the biggest, most solid community possible. Imagine having 500 people collectively optimizing and finding best settings. You can imagine the potential of it. We're currently not even 100 elite backtesters backtesting, and we have over 200 trading strategies being forward tested at the moment. A lot of them are looking absolutely brilliant. You don't have to have millions of trading strategies. You only have to have a couple that are good and working to be profitable. But imagine our possibilities if we were 500. It would be absolutely amazing. And that's the idea. So we're becoming a collaborative powerhouse. We're working together to kind of try and, as it says there, level the playing field against the hedge funds. We're kind of using what they do, but inside of a collaborative community, working together to try and find the best settings. So you've decided to become part of the elite backtesters, and you want to know what's in it for you. You want to go and start submitting your settings. So how do I become a part of the movement? There's a couple of ways of becoming an elite backtester. You can either become an elite backtester by active participation. So you can unlock everything by simply becoming part of using the optimizer, which is a tool that I did, like I said, a video about yesterday. The optimizer, optimizing trading strategies. And if you come across great settings, you can contribute those settings to us through a form, and those settings will be shared with everybody else in the group. And thanks to that, you'll unlock this is the treasure trove there of other people's settings. That's over 200 settings already, and next month hopefully will be 260, and so on and so on. So your contribution is our strength. Is the most important part of the group is to contribute and work together. I tried doing it for years by myself, the first year of David Tech by myself. And this just is absolutely the best way of doing things. All of us working together to do it. I mean, we're less than 100 people, and we've got a ton of great setups already. If you haven't got time, we totally understand. There is an Elite Plus membership, which means that you're financially supporting the people that are actually optimizing their trading strategies. All of the funds go into a prize pool, which allows us to create prizes at the end of each month, granting you access to all the library of the settings and the bots, etc. But the money gets put into a pool of prizes. That's the price of Elite Plus. It's $79. There's limited spots because we don't want more people paying than we do, obviously, people that are working on them. And when people decide to leave or whatever, we're going to take the prices up. So what you get as an Elite Plus, you get access to the exclusive community. This is Elite Plus and Elite Backtesters exclusive community. You get access to the 200 already settings. Currently, we grow around 60 new settings every month. Obviously, it's not guaranteed. It's just roughly how many we've been growing by every month so far. A one-click shareable chart. You can go to the top up here and click the copy of any trading strategy that we provide, and they've got all of the settings already in there for you, ready to roll. You can also connect to bots, which I'll try and show you afterwards, but I'm having problems sharing my screen, but I will try and show you the bots afterwards. With zero effort, set and forget bots, where you'll be able to just put your APIs in there, and you'll be able to set your bots up, and you're ready to roll on the settings that the Elite Backtesters have provided. But you don't just get settings. If you're part of the elite backtesters and not the elite, but elite plus, obviously you get part of the access to the prize pool. The prize pool currently has had, we've given away just over $18,000 so far from the beginning. So we give away monthly every month. Started off at $700, and now it's increasing to $1,500 every month so far. And we're also doing this one here, which is a quarterly prize, which currently is at $2,000 this quarter, but should be doubling. Sorry, somebody is spamming again, the Facebook again. I will delete and block those users. Yeah, please be careful, guys, of people offering Bitcoin and things like that inside the comments. Yeah, quarterly prizes currently about $2,000, and our objective is to double that every quarter. So this one is our first one, so it's going to be the smallest, and as we go along, we're going to be doubling them. Obviously, the results of the first ones are not going to be as impressive as we go along as well, because we've had more and more settings given to us, and they're looking better and better every month. So come join our movement. Tell your other members. We are 9,000 members in our group, but still only a couple of elite backtesters. And the more we are, the bigger the prizes are. And yeah, so that was my intro to the elite backtesters. If anybody's got any questions, please don't hesitate to drop them down into the comments below. And we're going over to Vlad. Vlad, how you going, mate?
Very good. Yourself, David?
Very well, very well. Glad to have you here.
Nice. So,
right.
Before we should start everything, just give me just one quick second, because this is my very first time I'm actually live over YouTube. So I'm making sure I'm not screw things up. There you go. So welcome everybody to the stream. Vlad here. You might know me from the Discord, one of the community managers. Today we should talk about the topics for the elite backtesters, which for today they're just two as of now so far. So we do have the 2023 grand review, which we are going to take a look at the settings which have been provided to the community for the months of September, October, November, and December. And they have been put through an incubation of in some cases December, which I'm going to explain in just a couple seconds. So it's going to be December, January, February, and March when available. So without more communication, let's get straight to the business. So the main topic, which is the 2023 Grand Review, we are going to take a look at the rules of, let's say, the competition. So strategies submitted through the X month, as for the example, November, will be evaluated from November plus another month. So in case there is a strategy which has been submitted in November, the evaluation will start as of December. The second rule is any setup must have an average of higher than 10% a month to qualify. You know the game, you know the say, you need to make 2% a month in order to make it. So that's why you put that as a standard. It doesn't have to be that really. It's just so we will have some basic rules of which of the strategies are the very best. The next one would be the April was not taken under consideration, just because there are some strategies that are very active, which had some trades, and some that didn't quite have some or any trades. So it would be unfair to add another number to be divided just because it was not active. The next rule would be that Community Awards prize is a refund of the David Tech membership. You will take a look at the prizes and how they are structured in a couple seconds. You can win multiple community awards if your setup generated multiple of 2. Like for example, if your setup has generated 2%, you qualify for 1 community award. If your setup has generated 4%, you're qualified to take 2 awards, and so on. It's quite easy to understand. The next rule is that reliable awards is offered for the setup with no negative months during the incubation. So for example, if we have a strategy with only positive months, that's going to take another extra reward for, let's say, the most reliable setups, which I believe it's an important factor, having reliable setups over a long period of time. Having setups which have been only positive, that's one thing that most of the users aim for. which I believe it's also something to take under consideration. And getting really close to the end, users can receive only one prize of each category. So for example, if you take multiple one-time only community award, that's going to be just a one-time only. If you, however, qualify for a double community award, you're going to take just one of that prize as well. And the last one, the top 3 is decided by the highest profit per month percentage. That's pretty much a very very mandatory. Overall, all that we are interested in is just making profit so far. That's why I think that the profit per month percentage would be the top most important thing so far. So let's just get straight to the another one, the prizes. So the best overall, the best profit strategy is going to be rewarded with $500. The second best, the prize pool is for $250. The third place, the runner-up, will be $150. Now, let's say the second category of awards is going to be the reliable award, which I believe is very important. Having reliable settings, it's one of the key goals of the elite backtesters. That's one thing that people have mentioned. The more win rate that they are interested in. It doesn't really have to be the win rate. However, if people want that, why not deliver, I guess. So reliable award, $100. The community award for the multiple of 3 is going to be $52 and $5. I think we have some music.
That's good.
Oh, okay.
Too much music?
Is it a little loud? Can you turn it a little bit lower?
I haven't.
Awesome.
Thank you very much. No problem whatsoever.
Awesome. And the double community award will be $35. And of course, the standard one, the multiple of just 2%, will be a reimbursement of the membership, which is $17.5. Now, on to the next slide. Here is the first set of results, where we have the first category of prizes, which would be the community awards and reliable awards. I would like to congratulate everybody that has participated so far. You can see on the screen the percentages over the December month. Whenever you see an X, that means that the strategy has been submitted through December, so the incubation started as of January. It makes sense. So, for example, a strategy that has been incubated December, January, February, and March is going to be split, divided by 4, because it had 4 months of activity. The ones that are active within January, February, and March, that's going to be an average by 3, just because it has been active by 3 months only. Now, after March, you do have a column called total and over 2% a month. Again, that's a standard rule, so we will know the strategies that kind of make a stand overall. There have been some strategies from September and October, but only generated overall like 1%, 0.5%, and so on. And we really need to differentiate the ones that really stand out, like, for example, the 2% ones. The next column would be the profit per month. Again, if the strategy has been submitted for 3 months for incubation or for 4 months, that's the exact factor of profit per month that you're seeing. For example, the least one had a 2.12, and the maximum now for the first tier of prizes, the last one was very close to a 4 community award. However, it was 7.98. Now, on to the next one, which is the second, the second tier of prizes. The third best with 10.1% monthly return is the Kryptoniter. Congratulations for your strategy input and your work. Here is the equity curve so far for the incubation period as well. You can see the dotted line for the exact moment that has been put to incubation. On to the next one. The second best with 10.28 monthly return is from Oleg Plotnikov. I hopefully don't butcher your name. You can see the dotted line when the incubation period happened. Congratulations. And now for the, let's say, the biggest and the top one, I should imagine. David, can you roll some drum, please?
Oh, we've got drum roll. Here we go. Normally, Some weather is coming. Here we go, guys.
Like in school, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. Long drum rise. There you go.
Gentle sir. Congratulations with 11.95%. Congratulations, you are the grand winner with close to 12% a month. That's an amazing performance. Having a strategy which does overall 12% a month, that's like, I believe, an algo trader dream.
Absolutely.
Regardless, that's pretty much thanks to everybody. I believe that everybody learns something from anybody else. We do hope that people share settings with each other, but in the end, give credit towards the initial user. So
congratulations,
again,
everybody.
Congratulations. Really, it's amazing. It's an amazing project. I'm so happy that I'm taking part of it as well. I'm so happy that I have the chance of moderating. I have the chance to speak with a lot of amazing people inside the community. I also have the chance to collaborate with also David and William to make this possible.
Thanks,
thank you very much, guys. And also a big shout out to the Elite Plus supporters of the community and also the VIPs as well. It would not be possible without you guys.
Yep.
Again, don't forget to ask me in private for the form password and the form linked in order to get your prize.
Claim.
You do have to claim your prize. Sorry, you have time until the end of the month, beginning of next one, somewhere in that neighborhood. We will let everybody know inside Discord about that. And yeah, that's it so far. Next Tuesday, we're going to take a look at some other strategies. Let me just change my stage real quick to show you guys what I'm talking about actually. So here we have some other settings that we are going to take a review at. Of course, as I said, and as actually David said earlier, the settings from as of January are a lot better. We have learned so much from 2023 on how to actually optimize, how to actually take some advantages over the TradingView platform. Unfortunately, TradingView is very limited, if that makes any sense to you guys. We only have not the very best data available. So being able to run this competition, being able to run this community on top of TradingView, that's straight up amazing. Just browsing really quickly. I won't take too much time out of you guys through the summit so far. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I would like to give my mic back to David if he would like to add something up as well.
Thank you, Vlad. Just spare me 2 seconds. I accidentally swapped the stage. Yeah, thank you very much, Dad, and congratulations to everybody. Like Vlad said, from September to December, the results were considerably better since January than they were last year. We as a community have learned a lot. There's a lot more members than there were last year. So there's new rules put in place and things like that. So they should get a lot better. I mean, each month they're looking better and better. Can you share the sheet, Vlad? Congratulations, Marco said to everybody. Congratulations.
Yeah, sure. Within the Discord, there is an issue of actually sharing the chart links. Need to create another Discord chat room just for the Elite Plus and also the Elite backtesters, just because within the actually available chat, the recruits have also they do also have access, and there could be a trouble of, let's say, not stealing but inspiring out of content that they should not have access. So we are really trying to develop a new room for Discord as well in order to share the setups that you're seeing. Also, the setups that won any prize, they're going to be featured as editor pick, if I'm correct, David, on Incubator Trade as well.
Yep. Yeah, they'll be featured at the top of our new website and on incubate.trade. And each week, like Vlad said, we do a overview of all the previous weeks backtesting results, and we also do an update once a month as well. So if those settings that you see are not the ones that you're looking for, or you'd like something a little bit different coin pair or whatever, there's plenty for everybody in there. Okay, Congratulations. Thank you very much, Vlad. Your first stream live on YouTube. Congratulations, mate.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So I'm going to go back over to my screen here. I'm going to have to put this over here on this screen over here, and I'm going to share this screen here. Okay, so this is where we're going to be adding the stream. There's also an incubate.trade, which will continue to be updated as always. This is just the front end for anybody who wants to come and have a look at the actual strategies. As you can see, we have all of the strategies there on our website. They're fully being incubated as we talk. So incubated, as I said earlier, means that we're putting them into a forward testing. Forward testing. If I click on one of these here, you'll be able to see, you can see the back testing results. This is back testing. And then you get to slide this slider to see the forward testing results. So you can see how they're actually how they're working on real time. This isn't updated yet. I'm going to be releasing this week. It gives you the leverage, number of trades. You can see all of the trades that are in orange. The orange is the live trades on live market. As you can see, this one's had quite a few. And when it goes white, it means that it's actually back testing results. So the live trading, you can see also the performance on forward test and the performance on back test. And there's loads of great stats in there. I'm adding them as I go along and making this platform better. You can follow the bots on Telegram. You can download the CSV files, and you can also copy the TradingView chart by simply pressing there and going up to the top up here and clicking copy, and that will copy the TradingView chart for you. There you go. There it is, exactly how to do it. So you can copy them. You can also recently added copy bot. So you can click this copy bot here, and it'll take you to a new web page that isn't available yet, which allows you to add your exchange. I have 2 exchanges there. Obviously, they're tests, as you can tell by the name. But if you want to trade this on OKX, Bybit, 2Bit, or whatever, obviously it's best to trade them on the exchange where they're optimized for, because most of us here know that. Somebody just put a comment in under my name, so I was just making sure. Is that a spam, Vlad? Or is it somebody from you? Oh, it was William. Okay. It's written in my name. That's all right. No problem whatsoever. Vlad's gone. Okay. Yeah. So you can go here, add your exchange and all of that. Let me add Vlad back to the stage. Hello, Vlad. You're back.
Thanks.
No problem. So you can add your exchange. You can choose how much you want to set your position as USDT or percent of portfolio. You can select, as you can see, it's selected a strategy there. You can set the leverage by forcing it, or you can use the same leverage as the one that's in the strategy. And literally by adding and pressing save, that will set the bots up so that you're copying that exact trading strategy that we saw earlier in the bot section of the new website here. So there's over 200 setups. Obviously, as you go down to the bottom of the chart, there are a lot less successful, but the top performing bots are very, very good and seem to be doing very well in forward testing and back testing. You get forward testing and back testing results no matter what on all of these. As Marco's here, you can see this one here was submitted by Marco. And on the forward testing results, it's had 4 trades and is up just under 80%, I believe. The max drawdown hasn't changed. And as you can see, the equity curve is going in the right direction. We have 4 trades. So yeah, all looking good. And that's part of the new platform that you'll be able to navigate around. I will be inviting all of the elite backtesters. By the end of this week, you should be getting updates from me by email, inviting everywhere. Tom said, great stream, Vlad.
Thank you very much.
Cool. I think that was pretty much it for all of us over on our side over here. I think we've gone through most of the slides. Congratulations to everybody. It's nice to have William and Vlad on the stream with us. That was it. Just bear me 2 seconds, just making sure we didn't forget anything. No, that was pretty much it, guys. We have been through everything. Like I said, anybody that's an elite backtesters, will get access to this new website with all of the setups within the next couple of days. I'll be inviting everybody one by one via email. Thank you very much, Vlad. Congratulations to everybody. I look forward to the next one. So you're going to be doing some live streams more often on the actual stream, Vlad. We're going to move this screen over here because there you go, that's better. Yeah, so you're going to be doing a couple of streams more often on YouTube, Vlad, to present all of these results, which is cool. Yeah, looking forward to speaking to you guys again in Discord. If anybody else has got anything, William's going to be going through the new terminal. So the terminal is this program here, this one here, which I haven't got access to at the moment because I need to put a pin in. William, you need to mute your mic, mate. Yeah, so this this new terminal here he's going to be going through. I don't know if you can see my screen. No, you can't, can you? So he's going to be going through the terminal and how to set up next week. The terminal, which is integrated into TradingView, it allows you to set up your bots a lot easier if you want to do it manually and take manual trades on your chart on TradingView. So William's going to be doing that next week. It's very much going to be kind of replacing the trigger trade to make things a little bit easier for everybody. And that's about it from me. Is there everything for you guys?
That's it with me as well. I would like to again congratulations. Oh, I would like to congratulate again everybody taking part of the Elite Backtesters. It's the most important thing to be as many as possible. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, thank you very much, guys, for the comments as well. And yeah, Mike, back to you, David.
Yeah, thank you very much, Tom. Thank you for Marco, Tom, and all of everybody that's put so much effort into the Elite Backtesters. We're going to be doing this a little bit more often on YouTube to try and increase the number of Elite Backtesters we are, because I really do believe that the power of our community is in us collaborating together. We're doing such a fantastic job. And yeah, I hope that we can increase the prizes, we can increase the profitability for everybody. And that's all I've got, guys. So I guess it's time for a take care. Keep safe and keep coding.
No. Wait. Not before William does his double thumbs up. Not leaving.
Double thumbs up.
Come on, William, give them.
Hey,
that's
nice.
The spirit.
Unless anybody's got any questions in the chat, we'll wait a couple of seconds for any questions anybody might have.
Vlad's got his thumbs up. He's happy for the rest of the afternoon.
Yeah, absolutely.
Mine doesn't work. Trust me, I'm trying.
Mine doesn't either.
Up, down, however you like. Doesn't work.
Don't know how things are trading at the moment. If we've got any trades opening on the bots.
I think we want to check for today.
Thanks, Marco. Right, I guess that there isn't any questions today. Thank you very much to everybody for joining us. Thank you very much for the thumbs up, Vlad and William. Take care, everybody. Keep safe. Keep coding. Trade like a boss. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.